What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got some F-150 stuff today. Not 250. We got some 150 stuff, and I can't show you what's on the other side. You might have already seen, but guys, if you remember the truck that Alex built right here on the channel from a bare frame, he built this truck. Well, it's been sold, and yeah, it's a sad day. But no, actually, it's not a sad day because Dover and his wife bought it, so it didn't go very far. And it's actually in middle of getting some work done. They just had the top. I'm not quite tall enough to get you up there. The top painted black, and he's also got Nick working on door handles, mirror caps, and all that. Get those painted body color, and then also the tailgate handle. So upgrades coming for it, and then of course you saw we took it up to Winger Performance, got the tune done on it. All right, guys, so here we go. Trying to get it to 50. We're gonna do a 50 to 80 pull right here, and go. So this thing, it's awesome, and the word is Leslie loves this truck. And so we had to get this video done really quick before she left in it, and so that's what we're doing now. But guys, Alex is up to his old ways. Let's go check it out. Look at this. Alex, you're up to it again, dude, aren't you? We have another regular cab, short bed F-150. What year is this one, Alex?
16.
So this is 16, same year as the white truck. And of course it was wrecked. And guys, again, when this white truck came in, it was basically a frame. The cab came from somewhere else, and it had to have some body work and stuff like that. So basically the same shape as this one, right?
Yeah,
pretty.
Hit the same weight, but I'm putting all new parts on it.
Yeah. So as far as like the cab over here, what are you gonna have to do with that?
Door and the fender.
Just door and fender?
Fix the cab corner and fix the edge of the bed.
Yeah. Not bad. It's
hit above the rocker.
that's always a good thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, throw a new door on there, and it's pretty wild how these.
And then get this pushed over in it.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Man, that thing took a hit.
What's that?
Eesh. Yeah, you can see though it didn't get very far in. That's a good thing. So right now you're just getting it kind of back where it's mobile, right?
Some of the clowns had a 3-inch leveling kit on the front.
Oh.
And the back down, so I can take all that off.
Oh, so this is from South Carolina then?
So over there,
Is it?
nothing was broke, and then they had that big old 3-inch leveling kit on the front.
Oh my! So they.
2-wheel drive.
So they're lifting a 2-wheel drive, guys.
Yeah,
That's oh my god, that's a no-no.
And the kids.
Definitely a no-no, yeah. But I mean, overall, did it have drivetrain in it when you got it?
Oh no, I don't want none of that.
Ah, I got you, yeah. Because you've already got a Coyote at 6R80, so it's gonna be Coyote just like the
Same as
yeah, just like the white truck. But are you gonna supercharge this one this time?
it's gonna be all black inside out. Black leather, everything, shifting and float in the console.
Yeah. Sync 3 and all that, just like the other one. And then
Platinum.
oh yeah.
Everything coming out of King Ranch, yeah.
Okay.
King Ranch. Probably push button start.
Oh yeah.
Heated and cool seats.
Jeez. This could be awesome. Then once it's done, you can sell it to me, and then you can build another.
Get hard to find.
Yes, they are. Guys, here's the deal. Me and Tay, that you've seen on the channel, we've been going back and forth about who's going to buy this truck when Alex decides he wants to sell it. But that's probably a long way off. But I still think it's going to... One of these trucks or both needs some boost, don't you think? Maybe?
With the donations.
So yeah, guys, you can see all of this stuff's going to come out. And what's so cool about when he builds these trucks is this is what you get from Ford. You get the little cheap, you know, like work truck style interior. I mean, they don't even have carpet in them. And that's the thing that sucks about buying these trucks from Ford is for some reason they don't make you a cool one, you know, with decent like Lariat style interior. You know, they're basically just work trucks, so you know you have to essentially build your own. So Alex doing what he does, he can essentially put an entire Lariat, Platinum, Limited, whatever interior in these trucks, make it all work, just like that truck, which is pretty freaking cool. So what are you thinking for wheels and stuff? Same as the other ones?
I think I'm gonna go with the 20 model Super Select 22s on this one.
That would be sick. That would be sick. Now, are you going to do the 18 front end or leave the 16 front end?
18, I already got the front. Actually, I got everything and ordered 2 new doors, 2 new fenders yesterday. Got brand new 18 front bumper, grill, and hood.
Oh, sweet. Dude, you're killing me with this thing.
Next weekend, I should have it together next weekend.
Okay.
I'm going to put the truck together, send it to paint, then come back with the drivetrain in.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't blame you. Because you ended up, had a little overspray and stuff last time, so yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to just paint the whole truck. I'm going to do the whole truck.
This thing's going to look so nasty with that 18 front end. And of course, you know, being black, I mean, what is not to love? Oh, yeah. Guys, here's real quick. If you are new to the channel, you're not familiar with this. This is the one Alex built last time. And again, this is, it's got all the good stuff. All the stuff that you can't get in a 2-wheel drive, you know, regular cab, short bed truck, all the sport stuff. I don't know why that key's in there. We'll take the key out. But again, all of this stuff came out of a 4-door sport XLT truck. And as you can see, you got all the sport stuff. Red, 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 red in the steering wheel. And like, again, guys, you can't get the Sync 3. You can't get the big touchscreen in these regular cab 2-wheel drive trucks. And you can't get the heated and cooled seats. You can't get the backup cameras. All the stuff that, you know, you would want in a cool sport truck like this, you can't get. So of course, Alex put it all in there, like the power seats, all that stuff. Everything works in here. The sync, the navigation, the Bluetooth. I mean, this is unreal. If you have not saw this build here on the channel, go back and watch the videos. I mean, it was it was really cool to see it come together. And now this one's going to be coming together. Super duper excited. All right, guys, so real quick, I'm going to insert a picture of just last week. Alex had this cab up on a forklift, and now, as you can see, here it is. I'll also put the picture of the frame in there. This was all in pieces, so there was literally nothing here. And he's got this bad boy. Does it run, Alex? Like, again, you saw the picture. Had it as a cab. He's got the. Now, what year is this truck?
2011. I took everything out of 14 flat.
Okay, that's right. So this is an 11, and in, was it 13 or 14? They put this other dash with the big sink and all that in there. So he's already retrofitted that, which is freaking. I want that dash in my truck, but it's just not really feasible. But yeah, so literally this was a cab and a chassis, and got it back going. So this is an 11 Platinum, and he missed my truck so bad he went and got him another one. It's true, right? Guys, if you didn't know, I bought my 250 from Alex. He had it about 6 months or so, and every time I saw it, I just like knew I had to have it, and so I ended up buying it from him. He's regretted it ever since, but I love it. All right, boys, I gotta back this one up. But again, if you did not watch the entire series of us, of Alex building this truck here on the channel, you're definitely gonna want to stay tuned for this one. He's doing the entire black interior. Turn this one off. That is too cool, guys. Too cool. Doing the entire black interior, black leather, heated and cooled seats. 22s, lowering kit. It's gonna be insane. Another super duper cool build. And Alex doesn't know it yet, but I'm buying it once he gets done and gets bored with it. That's the funny thing about Alex, guys, is like he loves building stuff, but he gets bored with stuff really quick, and then it's for sale. And so I'm gonna swoop in. I know when the time is right, and I'm gonna scoop that thing up. Come on back. Good. Well, yeah, maybe a hot touch, but guys, this is gonna be sick. Wait till you see this. Blacked out 18 front end, 22-inch Shelby wheels. Gonna be nuts. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just kicking off another sick build. I freaking love these trucks, guys. These trucks are ridiculously popular. If you get on Facebook and Instagram, they are everywhere for getting these trucks, supercharging them, turbo them, lower them. I mean, they're freaking fast. And you know, we actually did a 0 to 60 test on the white truck. Go back and check out that video before and after we had it tuned. And I mean, the thing, guys, they're faster than Gen 2 Lightning stock. So, you know, these things are fun. So make sure you keep it tuned right here. Big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Smash that subscribe button. Kicking off another killer build.